All right, because we're going to get ready for a brand new lesson. The expectation today is that you're going to complete, for those who are not testing today, to complete part 1 and part 2 of this entire lesson, which can feel a little bit lengthy, but just work through the videos, work through the slides. There is a bunch of videos for you to watch, and it's going to be important for what we're going to be doing the rest of this week and the rest of this unit. Right now, we're going to spend some time to grab our materials for today. Make sure that you have your composition notebook that was given to you when you did your tech pickup. Also have a writing utensil for you to write on. And then if you have headphones, you can also grab some headphones. You will need all those for today. Go ahead, you can pause the video while you go collect your stuff and come back when you're ready with all your stuff ready to go. One more thing, on when you are writing, you want to make sure you have your notebook set up. So here I have the unit that I'm working on, unit 1, lesson 0, the today's date. There is going to be some times where you will have to write what's on the unit or what's in the lesson, and you will know that because you'll see a picture of the composition notebook. That means that that is a very important material or information that you should have written down in your composition notebook for today's lesson. Let's go over what our objective is for today. So kids will be able to define rational numbers by examining the relationship between fractions and decimals. That's our first one. Our second one is kids will be able to convert between fractions and decimals. There are some words you probably already remember or have seen before. So fractions, remember fractions is broken up into numerators and denominators. Numerators are parts that we have, denominators are the total parts. You should also been introduced or have some sort of familiarity with decimals. This is how we use money. You see always have a decimal point. There are some words here you probably haven't seen before. One being rational numbers, and you'll see what they are as we move through today's lesson. And then some important information on how you're going to be doing this is obviously, you're going to define, which means you're going to tell me what rational numbers are. You're going to examine the relationship. We're going to see like how are fractions and decimals connected, and convert. And convert just means that you're going to go ahead and you're going to be able to work between decimals and fractions, change the decimal into a fraction and change a fraction into a decimal. So that is the work that we're doing today. I hope you are ready. This is going to really help us get started for what we're going to be doing on Wednesday, which is a very, very important lesson. All right, good luck with the rest of this video and the rest of this lesson. Make sure you're watching every video, writing things down you need to write in your composition notebook, and taking notes because those are going to be very important for what we're going to be doing for the rest of this unit and the rest of this week. All right, guys, best of luck. Reach out to me if you need any more help.